Uyazi as women so sile problem okuthiwa yi-menopause. That problem is so big. At times you can feel yabo. If you don't know, you might feel you are very sick. Sometimes at night I sweat a lot. I sweat so much. So very shortly I just feel cold again. How? Inkinga enkulu is at night. At night ngiyaginqa ngibe manzi te okokuthi I have to change my sheets. So ukuthi kuze kube ngcono, my friend, the friend of mine who knows about ama herbs suggested it to me.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel Healing Herbs. I am happy to say today that one of our viewers has reached out to me. Here is what they said. Gogo, I found your channel very interesting. I don't know if you can help me. I am a middle-aged woman. I haven't been sleeping well. I get hot flashes throughout the day. I can't cope with this. Do you know of any herb I can use to help with this? From this, it is clear that she's talking about menopause. Before I get on with the subject, I would like to point out this. I spoke to a few of my neighbors about this subject. I just wanted to hear what they say about it. To my surprise, they didn't know what it is. Actually, I also didn't know until 19. I will then give a simple definition on what menopause is. Menopause refers to a point when women stops ovulating and menstruating. What are the challenges or symptoms? Each woman's menopausal symptoms vary. Some women hardly notice the changes, while others feel the change in their normal daily life. This phase is said to start at the age 40 plus. The variety of symptoms women experience include hot flashes. At times these are followed by chills, night sweats, decreased sex drive, bladder problems, anxiety, depression, vaginal dryness and itching, breast tenderness, dry skin, fatigue, mood swings. Some women are said to even cry, that's weepiness, poor memory, heart palpitations, and insomnia, that is loss of sleep. For those that experience these bodily changes, it can be a real challenge. The question now is, how do we cope? While there is a long list of herbs that might help with this problem, today I will choose to look at 3 herbs due to some of their beneficial properties. I've got the Yarrow herb. This herb is said to be very beneficial on the overall female organs. I've got the sage herb. It is also said to be good for night sweats. I've got the rosemary. Rosemary is said to be good for memory as a memory booster. The sage, rosemary, and yarrow herbal teas have a very beneficial effect on the female organs. The effects are said to last for years, such that during menopause, no unpleasant symptoms develop. It then goes without saying that women could be spared a lot of troubles if they just took these herbal teas from time to time, be it a young girl with irregular menstruation or an older woman during menopause or already past menopause. Another way to cope is to make changes in some lifestyles. The example of this is smokers. Smokers are advised to quit smoking so as to reduce the hot flashes. We are supposed to eat well. That is, we have a balanced diet. And finally, communicate openly. Talk about it openly. There is no need to suffer silently. If you talk about it openly with your loved ones, they will not worry too much when they notice what is happening to you. Instead, they may be more patient and understanding. Please consult a qualified practitioner before taking any herbal remedies, as they can be just as dangerous as drugs. I hope this goes a long way to help us all ladies out there. Thank you for listening and watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment on the box below. Thank you for listening. Bye bye for now.